you know. Yeah, peeps, so we're there at Grandpa's Fall today. You know? Yeah, man. That is it, man. So we got the entrance, peeps. So, you know, coming from, they call it Moran Bay. Moran Bay, you come up, you have to drop the location, peeps. So, you guys can follow if you want to come to Grandpa's Fall. So, I'm going to show you the river now. Look on the landscape. So beautiful, you know? That is it, man. Jamaica Adventures, you know? We're outside. Yes, the peeps. We reach a Grandpa's Falls. And look who there.
Lick your finger, boy.
That is it, man. What's up, peeps? A chicken, man. Where's the general?
Lick your finger, boss.
Yeah, man.
Why me come that Spanish town? Me left Spanish town. Rhyme come for the rice.
Yeah.
Me left Spanish town. And look what come back up with someone down here. Everywhere me go. Turkey outdoor. We got one turkey outdoor living.
That is it, man.
Right now.
That is it, sir. So, wait, show them.
No. No, look around that.
Oi, oi. Where's the rhyme?
Papi goat pot.
Papi goat pot.
Goat pot.
Yeah,
goat pot. Oh, Jesus.
That is it.
That is goat.
I want to do catering, right?
Well, yeah,
you do catering, yeah, man. So just make people know, say, ooh, oi, oi.
More goat again.
Alright.
Yeah, man. See, rice.
Rice.
One over the
Oi, oi. Oi, oi.
Okay, you there. Yeah.
That is it, man.
The ballad guy.
Alright, so Ryan, I go down the river, you know, test the river and search there, you know?
There, man.
Alright, lick your finger, boss. Me there, you know?
That is it.
Alright,
That
Mr.
is it.
Alright. So that, peeps, so come buy some of that. Oh, what that? Come. Outside though, you know? Yeah, my peeps, so I go down the river, I eat my chicken in there, you know? So yeah, peeps, when you well be knowing, Grandpa Falls, it don't look bad. Nice. Yeah, we can go and jump off. There. Yeah, so we get free chicken. We get free chicken. So peeps, you know, finally reach our Grandpa's Fall. I always welcome as a peep. You know, Reggae Falls is on the other side of the hill. But see there, you know, I have the GoPro, I have the diving glass, so I can look at the water and see what I go and take. That is it, peeps. Stay tuned. Jamaica Adventures. And like all the time, you know, that is it, man. I put on the phone, fall back. so far, the river, water excellent. See? Yeah man, even though I only leave at the bottom of the water, you know, it's a natural river. So let's just keep it that way. And guys, to say a few back about the place, but you know the man them I try kind of a contribution so them can pay somebody to get paid free. But this, it's a vibe, you know. The water is not very deep, so you won't drown. About the kids, you know, you got to watch the kids. But this, definitely I would come back here, do some cooking and do whole a vibe the whole day. Yeah man, it's definitely Grandpa's Fall. I give it a 9 out of 10. See? Let's see. Grandpa, oh! Grandpa good now? That is it for fish? What you say, I swim? Yeah, my peeps, so remember good over there, so? You know? In general, there, so? Wait! What you say, I take a one dive? Remember, oh! What up, peeps? Yeah, man, remember the camera and the waterproof, only GoPro waterproof, you know? Yeah, man. Yo, put on this minute.